Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can sign in or log into your TikTok account. It's very easy to do. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, do it to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So the first step you have to take now is to go over to your TikTok account. So let me tap on my TikTok app. In case you don't have your TikTok app, you can go over to your Play Store if you're using an Android device, or over to your App Store if you're using an iPhone or iOS device. So guys, let me tap on my TikTok app to open it right away. So guys, once your TikTok app opens up, what you have to do right away now is to tap on your profile. You can see the profile icon there at the bottom right corner. So let me tap on it right away. You can see it there. So guys, now you can see what's written here, log into TikTok, and under it you have three options. The first one, you can use your phone number, email, or username. The second one, you can continue with your Facebook. Then the third one, you can log in using your Google account. But let me go for the first option, which is use phone number or email or username. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now here is the next step. Like I said, you can either use your phone number or your email address or username. You can see phone number is actually selected. If you want to use your email or your username, then tap on the next one. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it has changed to email or username. So the one I'm going to be using right now is my phone number. So let me go over to the former one, which is phone. Let me tap on phone. Then let me go ahead now to input my phone number. So guys, now you can see I've inputted my phone number. So the next step you have to take now is to tap on continue. But before I tap on continue, you can see what is written there. Save login info to login automatically next time. If you don't want to save your login details, just untick that circle right there. You can see it right there on the left hand side. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on continue. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. So guys, can see the next step, enter 6-digit code. A text message with a 6-digit verification code was sent to your phone number. So guys, let me scroll from the top of my phone now to get the code. So guys, I can see it right there. You can see it was just sent now. So let me go ahead now to copy the code. Let me tap on copy. I've copied it. So guys, now you can see I've inputted it. So now it's loading up. Wow guys, can see I've logged in now to my account. You can see there at the top, you can see there, you can see. So now let me tap on got it. So let me tap on the profile icon at the bottom right again. So guys, can see here's my TikTok profile. This is because I've been able now to log in. So guys, now this is how you can be able to log into your TikTok account on your mobile device, and I believe this was helpful to you. Bye.